Hello guys and welcome to Hakmen Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you guys how to trade with the help of Ichimoku clouds. Now Ichimoku cloud by looking at it, it is very difficult, but once you learn it, it is very easy to apply and easy to use. Now let me show you what is Ichimoku cloud. With Ichimoku cloud it is better to use parabolic SAR. It will help you in your guidance through the way. Now you can see that this is a Chimuku cloud. Very, it seems very complicated, but once you understand it clearly, then it would be easy for you to know where the market is heading. Now you can see this dot. This is the fastest moving. This is known as the Kijun Sen, the Tenken Sen, and the Chiku Sen. This the this is the this is known as the Kumo cloud. Refer to is the cloud. Just normally say the cloud. Now when this blue line is below the red line, it means that the market would go downward. But if it is above the red line, then it means that the market is going upward. The market would go upward. And there is one other indicator. This line shows the previous days, the 26 previous 26 bars pattern. Now you can see right here, it shows the same, but it is 26 bars behind. So this if I don't consider this line. I only consider these two, the Tenken Sen and the Kijun Sen and this cloud. I only take a look at these. Now take a clear look at these. Now as it crosses above this, now uh, when the candlesticks are below this cloud, the stock is trading below this cloud. It means that that is a good time to buy and to sell when the clouds when these candlesticks are above this cloud. Now you can see how far they are reaching. Do not invest when the candlesticks are trading in between these this cloud, because this is an area or known as uh, investors indecision. This is the phase in an indecision phase, so do not invest in this part. Now you can see overall, in the overall chart, this candlestick was trading above. Now let's see at this place. This is trading the the Kijun Sen is constant. So you can see it is straight, so it means that this stock is straight, no action is happening in this. But if it is up or down, action will be occur in this. So this is the Chimuku cloud. Now whenever you are investing, do not invest in this part, do not trade in this area. Always buy when the stock is below this this cloud, and sell when it is above this cloud. You can see at different points, this is above this cloud. Now let me show you in this one as well. You can see at different points, this is below this cloud, again above this clouds at various points. So what it means that whenever you are trading with this with the help of this Ichimoku cloud, buy when the stock is below this cloud and sell when it is above. And you can also what you can also do is that buy when the blue line crosses the red line. At that point, enter into the market and sell when it reaches to its highest high. Now let me show you somewhere here. Right here, you can see it crosses, the blue line crosses the red line or enters the red line, moves along with it, and then you can see at this point, sell at this point. You can see this is a simple method to use. These both of these methods are simple to use. You can trade with the help of these. While this is you can trade with the help of these this method. This method is easy to apply when you're trading with the help of Ichimoku cloud. Ichimoku cloud, you saw, it is very simple. It looks a bit messy on this chart, but it is very simple to use. You can see at different intervals. Now at this point, this is also an area. No, buy at this point and sell when it is above. Now the same thing happened at this, what I wanted to apply. You can see that, you can see it is below, sorry, what, yes, now you can see it is below this the cloud, and Now when it moved upward, wait for it when it reaches a bit more further and then sell your stock. You can see at this point it crosses the blue line, crosses the red line. It means that this is an entry point. Trading above, now it is inside the this cloud, and let's see what happens next if it crosses this trend line. Let's return to this chart. Now at different intervals you see that whenever the candlesticks crosses below this the cloud, it means that this trend would this stock would be a bearish stock. It would turn into a bearish market. So for that reason you can see that right here this major bearish happened, major bearish market. You can see that a strong bearish market, sorry, this is now, sorry for my grammar, a strong bearish market. You can see this area, it suddenly crossed. This was due to the COVID-19, the first wave of the COVID-19. You can see crosses below. Now is now as it start to gain control, gain momentum, you can see that this was the greatest entry point. It is now trading above, moving in the upward direction. Although it tried to enter this area, but it didn't enter. It traded above the cloud and then moved upward. So you can see, do not sell your stock when this type of move happens, because you can see it moved upward. When this candlestick moved into this move into the cloud and then it moved upward, sometimes what happen is that it entered the cloud and then move upward. But that is okay, wait for it. But if it moved into the cloud and trade below, sell your stock at that point, because that is a point no good for to trade. You can see I haven't traded a stock like this. Now let me show you in my example. No, sorry, not this one. I've loaded a chart right here, 29th March. Now you guys have probably understood how the Ichimoku cloud works. Now let me show you my chart, how I use the chart in my case. You can see I've uploaded two different charts. I've invested in this part. This was my risk margin was, in this case, in my case it is rupees, so I've set it out for 12,000 rupees loss. So in this case my loss reached to up till 11,000 or 10,900 something. So in this case I'm measuring it in rupees, not in dollars. In dollars I might say that it is $80 or $90, something like that. But you can see that it again it gained momentum, and let's wait for it what happens next. I've applied two strategies over here. One is that this is a 200-day moving average. So on I've invested on the assumption that always buy when the candlesticks are trading below the 200-day moving average and sell when they are above. So I've used this strategy right here, and the one is that this is trading below the Kumo cloud. So you can see it entered this Kumo cloud and wait for it when it crosses above. You can see that at this point you will have to wait for it to give you some positive. Now I'm still waiting for it, as it is the most hardest thing in while trading. Waiting and patience is the most hardest thing in trading. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.